Welcome back and a good Tuesday evening to you. Here are some snowfall reports. Again, they're kind of slowly trickling in, but as expected, the highest totals well to our north and west. Up in the Twin Cities, 4 to 7, even localized 8-inch amounts. Boyceville, that's in Dunn County, 5.5 inches. Redwig, Minnesota, up the river, 4 inches. About 1 to 3 inches in the Rochester area, 1.5 inches in Plainview, and 1.5 inches through 6 p.m. or I should say through the top of the hour up in Eau Claire. Now just a trace of snow thus far here in La Crosse. So that winter weather advisory from Wabasha, Buffalo, Eau Claire counties and points north and west. Another couple of hours until 9 o'clock this evening. Storm totals in those advisory areas 1 to 3 inches. Again, ice and snow, take it slow, and that's going to be region wide. Just because you're not under this advisory doesn't mean that you're going to experience wintry driving conditions for the evening commutes. Take it easy out there, and also keep in mind, even if the road is wet, with falling temperatures, we could see some quickly freezing conditions. So things could really start to slicken up over the next couple of hours. 40 was the high early this morning before 1 a.m. 30 degrees the low. That's current temperature. 39 and 24 the averages. And there's the numbers. 0.13 inches of liquid today and just a trace of snow so far out at the La Crosse Airport. 31 degrees at the station and out at the airport. Feels like 18 though, with gusty winds. Northwesterly 21, gusting close to 30 miles per hour. Different scene up in Eau Claire, snow-covered roads in spots. So again, take it easy out there. 28 degrees with light snow falling, and it feels like 17 for you as winds are out of the northwest. 15 to 30 miles per hour. Very well-defined cold front. Almost 60 still in Chicago. We're at 31 here in La Crosse, 23 in Minneapolis. Teens over the Dakotas. Closer look shows that freezing line has quickly made its way eastward, and that's why any rain that was falling has quickly mixed with and or changed to snow. Northwesterly winds rather blustery, 15 to 25. Gusting around 30 to 35 miles per hour in some spots, so that's causing it to feel like teens and 20s in our neck of the woods, even single digits over parts of southeastern Minnesota. So a quick check of the radar. We'll kind of fly around where you see these darker blue bands. That's where there's some pockets of moderate snow. Otherwise, mainly light snow across the region, including the La Crosse area. Still some rain showers to the south and east, but notice the back edge of the snow already through the Rochester area, so this isn't going to last all that long. Pretty quick hitter in terms of the snowfall here in La Crosse as this front and area of low pressure continues to track east across the area. So snow trackers showing additional accumulations on top of what's already fallen, maybe up to 1 inch in spots. Again, not a lot, but enough to cause those slick roads, and with freezing temperatures, watch for some icy conditions. Sky trackers showing the snow moves out by about 9 o'clock or so. We hang on to cloud cover for most of the night. Kind of a mix of clouds and sun for tomorrow, but boy, it's going to be windy and cold. And then Thursday's looking dry as well, with kind of a partly sunny sky and winds turning around to the south. So for tonight, 18 degrees, that mix and snow until about 9 p.m. Windy and colder. Tomorrow, 25 degrees with a mix of clouds and sun. Still windy and quite cold as well. And looking ahead, back in the 30s on Thursday, 40s on Friday. Chance for some light mix or a snow shower Friday night and Saturday as we kind of enjoy a roller coaster ride over the next several days. 20s again on Saturday, and another system could bring some snow chances around Monday and or Tuesday of next week.
All right. Thank you, Bill.